Hello everyone and welcome back to the Business Mind channel, where when you dream big, you can achieve bigger. Today we've got an exciting and informative video lineup for you. We'll be diving deep into the world of time tracking and management as we compare the renowned Time Doctor to three other top-notch time tracking apps: Toggle, Harvest, and Clockify. Time tracking is essential for productivity, project management, and overall time management. And in this detailed comparison, we will explore various aspects of these apps to help you make an informed choice for your personal or professional needs. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Features: Time Doctor. Time Doctor offers a comprehensive suite of features, including time tracking, employee monitoring, task management, and payroll management. It stands out with its ability to take screenshots of employee screens, providing in-depth insights into work activities. Time Doctor also boasts a robust reporting system for detailed analysis. Features: Toggle. Toggle focuses primarily on time tracking. It provides a simple and user-friendly interface, making it easy to track time for individuals and teams. Toggle allows you to create projects and tasks for tracking and offers basic reporting features. Features: Harvest. Harvest is a versatile solution suitable for freelancers and small businesses. It combines time tracking, expense tracking, and invoicing. Notably, it features a customizable invoicing system, making it a strong choice for those who need professional invoicing alongside time management. Features: Clockify. Clockify is a free time tracking tool suitable for small to medium-sized businesses. It allows time tracking by project and tasks and includes reporting features. Clockify's free tier makes it cost-effective, and its user-friendly interface ensures quick adoption. In summary, each of these time tracking apps serves different needs. Time Doctor excels in employee monitoring and advanced reporting. Toggle is a straightforward, user-friendly option primarily focused on time tracking. Harvest is a versatile catering to freelancers with its expense tracking and invoicing capabilities. Answer me this, Business Mind fam. Would you buy something that from the get-go seems like something you could not use? Well, of course you won't. And that's why our second concern would be the ease of use of these time management applications that will surely affect the speed or pacing of your team as they work on your project. So next up, let's talk about ease of use. Time Doctor. Time Doctor, while offering a user-friendly interface, can be a bit overwhelming for first-time users. This is primarily due to its feature-rich nature, including employee monitoring and advanced reporting. Users may need some time to explore and become familiar with all of its functionalities. Though despite this, you must remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and investing time in Time Doctor would give you the edge not provided by any other time management apps. Ease of use. Toggle. Toggle is renowned for its simplicity and ease of use. Its minimalistic design and straightforward approach make it extremely user-friendly. Anyone can quickly get started with Toggle, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer a hassle-free time tracking experience. Ease of use. Harvest. Harvest also offers a user-friendly experience. Its interface is straightforward and easy to navigate, ensuring that users can start tracking their time and expenses without much difficulty. This simplicity adds to its appeal, especially for freelancers and small businesses. Ease of use. Clockify. Clockify shares similarities with Toggle in terms of ease of use. It features a clean and simple design that makes it easy for users to track time and manage projects effortlessly. Like Toggle, Clockify is suitable for those who value a straightforward and intuitive user experience. In summary, if ease of use is a top priority for you, Toggle and Clockify shine as a particularly user-friendly options. Harvest also offers a smooth experience, while Time Doctor, although user-friendly, might require a bit more time to explore due to its extensive feature set. Your choice should align with your preference for simplicity and your specific needs for time tracking and management. Integration. Integration of applications is a must for every project team. Complete and clear integration ensures that a team's workflow for their projects is standardized and therefore leading to a more efficient system that will maximize the use of resources of their team, whether it be by time or by capital. Now let's talk about how these applications perform in terms of integration. Integration, Time Doctor. Time Doctor offers integrations with various project management and productivity tools such as Trello, Asana, and Slack. This makes it easier for users to seamlessly connect their time tracking data with their existing workflow and project management systems. Integration, Toggle. Toggle provides a wide range of integrations with various apps, including popular project management tools and calendars. Users can sync their time tracking data with platforms like Trello, Asana, Google Calendar, and many others, enhancing their productivity and collaboration. Integration, Harvest. Harvest specializes in integrations with accounting software, project management tools, and payment gateways. This makes it an excellent choice for freelancers and small businesses looking to streamline their invoicing and financial processes. Integration, Clockify. Clockify also offers a variety of integrations with popular apps and services, allowing users to connect their time tracking data with their preferred tools. This flexibility makes Clockify adaptable to different workflows and business needs. User-friendliness. No matter the ease of use, there would be times where context clues within the app would only provide you as much as they can, neglecting the potential in which you can maximize your performance. To acknowledge this, one that you must consider is the application's customer service. So let's now explore how exactly customer-friendly these apps are. User-friendliness, Time Doctor. Time Doctor offers customer support via email and chat. Additionally, it provides a knowledge base, allowing users to find answers to common questions and troubleshoot issues on their own. User-friendliness, Toggle. Toggle provides customer support through email. They also have a comprehensive fact section that can be a valuable resource for users seeking answers to frequently asked questions and troubleshooting tips. User-friendliness, Harvest. Harvest also offers email support, which users can reach out to for assistance. Additionally, they have a help center and resource library, providing various resources to help users make the most of the platform. User-friendliness, Clockify. Clockify provides customer support through email and offers a knowledge base. Users can explore the knowledge base to find answers to their queries and get help with using the platform effectively. In summary, all these time tracking apps recognize the importance of integration with other tools. Time Doctor and Toggle provides a broad range of integrations with productivity and project management tools, while Harvest focuses on accounting and financial software. Clockify also offers a variety of integrations, catering to diverse user requirements for seamless integration into their workflow. Customizability. Now, are you ready to be the efficient project manager you hope to be? Well, your visions are ours, so we will be providing you how exactly customizable these apps are to fit your visions of an effective and efficient workplace. Let's get to it. Customizability, Time Doctor. Time Doctor stands out in terms of customization, especially in the reporting and task management areas. It provides a high level of flexibility, allowing users to tailor reports and task management processes to their specific needs. This level of customization can be valuable for businesses with unique requirements. Customizability, Toggle, Harvest, Clockify. Why are these three all together? Well, to answer your question, that is because this is the reason why Time Doctor stands above all of them. While Toggle, Harvest, and Clockify do offer some level of customization, they may not be as flexible as Time Doctor. Customization options in these tools typically cover basic settings and configurations, but they may not provide the same extensive level of fine-tuning, especially in reporting and task management, as Time Doctor does. In summary, if you prioritize extensive customization options, particularly in the areas of reporting and task management, Time Doctor may be the preferred choice. On the other hand, Toggle, Harvest, and Clockify offers more straightforward customization features that cater to the needs of a broader user base. Your choice should align with your specific requirements for customization and flexibility. Thank you for joining us today on Business Mind as we delve into this comprehensive comparison of time tracking apps. We have explored the unique features, ease of use, integration options, customer support, and customization capabilities of Time Doctor, Toggle, Harvest, and Clockify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Business Mind for more in-depth reviews and insights into the world of business and productivity tools. Feel free to leave your questions and comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned for more informative content from Business Mind. And remember, keep dreaming big and achieving bigger. This is Business Mind, and we will see you guys next time.